Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I would like to show you how you can claim your SNFTs easily. So if you have been staking a certified fund, that is S fund, for a while before the SNFT was released, then you are qualified to claim this SNFT. And the claiming is for 4 months. That is, you claim every month for the next 4 months. So try and watch this video to the end to understand the whole process. Actually, if you are using Trust Wallet to claim, it might not go through. So what you have to do is to import your Trust Wallet into MetaMask. As you can see, I've imported my own Trust Wallet into MetaMask right now. If you don't know how to import your Trust Wallet into MetaMask, I will drop the I've made a video on that before, so I'll drop the link to the video in the video description of this video description right now, so you can watch the video first so that you can import your wallet into MetaMask and have it like this. So once you import your wallet, you know that the main chain is the main network chain for MetaMask is Ethereum. So you don't have the BSC network, and S fund is on BSC network. So all you have to do is to add BSC network on your MetaMask. So I'm going to start from that right now. So once you import your Trust Wallet into MetaMask, you have this page. So you just click on this 3- line by the left side. So once you click on that, then you go to this browser section. So when you go to the browser section, you just click on this place, then you type in chainlist dot org. So and you load it. So I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so this is the page. So once you have this page like this, you just scroll down and click on this connect wallet. So you click on connect wallet, and it will give you a page. It's because I've used it before, that's why my wallet is connected directly. But if you are using it for the first time, when you click on this connect wallet button, it will give you a page where it will ask you to approve the wallet connection, and you approve it. So once you approve it, your wallet will be connected. As you can see, my own wallet is connected right now. So you just come to this search networks place. You click on it and you type Binance. Just type Binance, it will bring the network, you understand? So before you finish typing it, it will bring it. So you just click on add to MetaMask. So once you click on add to MetaMask, it will give you a page to approve the adding. So this is the page. So I'll just click on approve. Then new network added, you can see. So it will ask you to switch to the network, or you can. So I will switch to the network, that is, I'm switching to BSC network. So I'll click on switch network. So immediately my wallet has been switched to. You can see at the top here we have Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So I'll click on this 3- line again and click on wallet. So once I do that, you can see that it's only showing my BNB. Once you have this page like this and you are already on Binance Smart Chain network, you understand, just click on this 3- line again, click on the browser, then come to the top here. The link for the claiming, I will drop it in the video description as well. You can copy it from there, or you can just click on it and just use it as well. So I've copied it on my phone clipboard. I'm going to paste it here right now. So this is the link. So and I'll click on enter to load it. So once you open the page like this, all you have to do is to click on this 3- line here at the top here. Then you click on this connect wallet button and you choose MetaMask out of the options. So you have a prompt to connect your wallet. Just click on connect, and then once your wallet is connected, you will realize that your wallet address is showing at the down part here. So when you have this one, you are ready to claim, and make sure that the network is on BSC. You can see this first one, so make sure that your own is like that. So once your wallet is connected, just scroll down, then you scroll to this place, you will see claim token at this place here. So you just click on this claim tokens, and then this is the amount that you claim. So once you have this amount, you click on confirm, and then you wait for it to load the page where you will pay your gas fee. So this is where I'll pay the gas fee for the claiming. So all I have to do is to pay the gas fee now. So I'll scroll down and click on this confirm. So once I did that, I'll wait for the confirmation to process. You can see that the transaction is submitted already. So you can see claim completed. So that's just a simple way for you to claim your SNFT, and that is all for the claiming of SNFT. Now one more thing, guys, this claim that I just did now is for the second claiming of SNFT. So if you have not claimed the first one, which is the first claiming, that was around August, I think, or maybe early September. If you have not claimed that one, you can actually do it. So I'm going to show you how to do that also. So if you have claimed, you can see that this one is SNFTs 2. That means the second vesting. The first vesting was around September, or maybe August 30 or September, early September. So if you are yet to do that, you just click on this 3 dash line here. So you click on it, you choose this SNFTs. So once you do that, it's going to take you to a page where you will claim the first one. So just click on this claim now button, this claim now. So once you do that, to open this page for you. So this is the place where you're going to claim your first SNFT. The one I just claimed now is the second vesting. Why this page is for the first vesting. So you can see I've claimed my own. That's why I'm having this one here. But if you are yet to claim your own, you have a claim button at this place where you have this unavailable, and you will see the amount that you're going to claim also around this area. So once you click that claim button, then you will be asked to pay small amount of gas fee as well, and you pay that one just like I claim now, and then you are good to go. So after you have claimed your SNFT, in order for you to add it to your wallet, let me go back to my wallet now. So I'll go back to my wallet. Then the contract address for the for SNFT, you can actually get it from CoinGecko. It has been listed on CoinGecko, but I've actually copied the address on my phone clipboard, and I'll also drop it in the video description. You can get it from there, or you can get it from CoinGecko, either of the two. So I'll just click on this import tokens. So when I click on these import tokens, then we ask you to search for a token. Or you go to this custom token here. So once you go to this custom token, the address that you have copied, so you just paste it at this place here. So I will paste the address I've copied here. So once you paste it here, you should be able to show it. But if it did not show, you can see that it has shown it already. You can see token symbol and token destination. So I'll click on imports. So once I click on the import button, it's going to import my SNFT into my wallet. Let me wait for that. You can see it has been imported successfully. So you can see the amount of SNFT I'm holding now. So thank you. See you again later. Bye.